Hi, this is my certification attempt for the eChalk Get Big 21/64 times 7.5 inches. Showing this one right here, and of course the usual stuff. Take the measurement. Hopefully my hands keep steady. Doing all this. It should be, it's around 19 centimeters, so 7.5 inches. I'll actually put this one here because I need it. I'm still on camera, that's good. And for the caliper, I'll zero the caliper. See, how do I? Right. Actually, is it 0? No, it's not. Now it is. And it shows 8.39 or something, and then for the inches 0.3 something. I don't know anything about measurements, but you know, there we are basically. And yeah, I hope these are correct because I don't know anything about this other than what's said on the official sites. Right, I'm gonna put the caliper to the side, hoping I still keep the steel in the frame. Tape measure I'm going to need later, and yeah, I'll just put this one here, just so it can be seen. The wraps I will be using heavily chalked corridor pads, and for the double layers I will be using double wraps, that is slightly marinated Ironmind wraps, but still in decent enough shape for bending. I'm gonna actually put this here and just to show that there's nothing inside. Actually, this goes on top. And in case I need them Horrido crush wraps, these are 4 of the pieces, so basically 1 and 2, all chalked, but as you can see, flexible material, all that. I will be wrapping them in case I need them. Not sure if I will, but if I need them, just so I can. Rubber bands, 1 rubber band per wrap, as it is said in the site. And yeah, I'll start with the crush pads because I have to get them wrapped before anything else. So yeah, this one's gonna take in the 2 wraps, 1 for each, and this is the moment where everything gets slightly boring, but well, I do feel sorry for everyone watching. Well, this one, and then the second one slightly on. I'm not actually sure how it is the most efficient way to wrap crush pads, but however it is, this will have to do for now. One. It's a little bit of a mistake to not put it higher on the and put the next one a bit higher so it stays. This isn't this is just a big failure at this point, but I'll just nudge it closer so it is there. Yeah. Yes. One cross pad ready for action in case I need it, and yeah, second one as well should be pretty obvious to use those as well. I did press record. I'm terribly sorry that, again, I say this in every video, but I do get extremely nervous when the camera is on, so lots of yapping to be expected, but that's just how it unfortunately is. Wrapping these up pretty tightly so they don't fail under pressure. At least the wraps don't fail. Me, on the other hand, this one should go a little easier because I did tighten it up on the I'm actually not sure if I can get this back on anymore on this because those are quite tight, but whatever. If they don't, then they don't. But now, time for the actual wrapping. Beginning with the Horrido wraps, which are actually moving these slightly to the side and like so. How am I gonna? Yeah, this one's nice. I did remember to, now that I'm just rewinding everything I've done, I remember to show the correct marking, that it is the 21/64 and 7.5 inches. Also did take the caliper and the length of the steel. I will take them slightly to the side, perhaps. No, this does not feel. Yeah, this feels a lot better actually now. Maybe some chalk, just regular chalk. My hands are getting slightly tired, so I'm just. I know it sounds ridiculous that someone like me, well, especially someone like me, does get easily tired from wrapping itself. It's a very intense process and requires extreme physical and mental endurance. These don't actually have to be that tight because I take them off mid-bend, so yeah, these can be just slightly on. also nicely tightened, and this could be right here. I'll take the tape measure near, cross pads are near with the, yep, hopefully I'm still in frame. And yeah, it's been 11 minutes. I'll start at 12. I will let my hands rest a little bit and then just put these ones in so that my hands feel good in them. And just because I only have a few of these left, I'm gonna mess this up right now when I've wrapped everything and everything's in video and all that stuff. So yeah, better to be safe than sorry. Is it? Yeah, this is good. Just some more chalk in the cross pads just in case. And right. Actually see, it's quite close to the 12 minutes. So yeah, 12 minutes, I will stop at 17 if it gets there. Let's hope for the best. Well, that was embarrassing. What an embarrassing way to start the video, or like the bend. Let's see how I can apply enough force so that yep. So some more chalk. Slightly under 3 minutes left. More chalk. I'm switching to the cross pads now. Just taking a small break. How much is it? I have just a bit left. 1 minute 40 seconds or something. I think it's enough, but I will finish it just in case. Actually not the best position, so I can't get it well. Yeah, I think this is enough. Yes. About 4 minutes. And now for the final measurement. Why doesn't it show it well enough? It's under 5. Definitely under 5. Just to prove it to myself as well. Even more. I'm so nervous. I don't want this to be a failure for not measuring correctly. About 4.7 or something, but just once more. Eat chalk, get big. 21/64 and 7.5 inches. This was a tough one. Thanks.